The effort to challenge myself, reading and speaking English, the article on Medium. Hello everyone. Today I will continue practice my speaking and reading the article on Medium. Today I went to reading Focus is so hard nowadays from Kevin Nokia. Why staying focused feels impossible and how to reclaim your attention. I found it increasingly hard to focus on one particular thing. It's not just about getting distracted when I'm working. It's much more than that. Sometimes I catch myself guessing shiny things, new ideas to try, unrelated tasks to finish, or random talk to think about. I don't even realize I'm distracted until I am aware of it. Distractions are everywhere. But the scariest part is that distraction don't feel like distraction. They often disguise themselves as the right thing to do. For instance, when I am supposed to finish writing, I suddenly think about doing chores like washing clothes or tidying up. These tasks are important, but they are distractions in the moment. They pull me away from my primary goal, which is writing. Subtle trap of modern distraction. Social media, ads, and even content we enjoy are expertly designed to grab our attention. They are marketed as entertainment, but their real effect is to train us to crave content stimulation. A 2018 Pew Research Center survey found that 31% of teenagers in the US lost focus in class due to cell phone use. Additionally, while doing homework, 51% of teenagers watch TV, 50% use social media, and 78% listen to music, and 60% send the message. Ask me, Kana. So, when you doom scroll through endless short video, your ability to focus shrinks. The cycle continues to affect rapid gratification, leaving little room for the petition and persistent focus requires. This isn't what I want for myself and for you too. My simple approach to reclaiming focus. Even though reclaiming focus isn't an overnight success, it only takes a couple of days to feel it's working. Here's why I found effective. 1. Meditate daily. I spend 20 minutes meditating every morning. Meditating is a powerful exercise for focus. While meditating, my mind, my mind often wanders to random talk, to-do lists, or worries. But instead of getting frustrated, I bring my attention back to my breath. If I get distracted 30 times, then 30 opportunities to practice refocusing. Each time I return to my breath, I'm training my mind to focus better, even in the challenge of daily life. 2. Replace doom scrolling with intentional content consumption. Short form content can destroy your attention span. Instead of mindlessly scrolling, I've replaced it with consuming content that adds value. For example, podcasts. If I am interested in a 1 hour podcast, I commit to watching or listening without distraction for at least 15 minutes. video or tutorial. I select one video, focus on it fully, and reward myself afterward with a break or a small break. The key is to focus for a longer period of time, not for not for a minute or a 50 seconds. The benefit of building focus: practicing focus doesn't mean distraction disappear overnight, but over time, the effort compounds. Here's what I felt after practicing my focus. I can now put my attention on tasks for longer periods. I'm less tempted by shiny distractions because I've learned to be aware through meditation. I feel more in control of my time and energy. The more you practice, the better you will get at filtering a distraction and direction your attention where it truly matters. You only need to be aware of it and go back to focus. Conclusion: focus is hard, but it's not impossible to improve. Start small. You don't have to meditate for 20 minutes. You can meditate for a few minutes a day or commit to watching one video without distraction. Build your ability to concentrate slowly, just as your will your muscle through working out. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up and practicing daily. So, take the lead, rebuild your focus, one meaningful moment at a time. This is summary for the article. Kevin Nokia reflects on the growing difficulty of focusing in today's distraction-filled world. He explained that distractions are often subtle and diffuse, as productive tasks like cleaning or checking messages, especially when we are supposed to be doing something more important, like writing. This is key points. The problem: focus isn't just interrupted by noise or alert. Internal distraction, like chasing ideas or to-dos, are often worse. Many distractions appear useful but derail our main goals. Social media, short-form video, and constant content craving for instant stimulation, awakening long-term focus. And he is advocate to regaining focus. 1. Daily meditation. Practicing mindfulness by returning to the breath trains the brain to refocus even after distractions. 2. Intentional content consumption. Swapping meaningless doom scrolling for meaningful podcasts or videos, and committing full attention to one thing at a time. The benefit is longer attention span, less urge to multitask or follow distraction, increased control over time and energy. And the core message is improving focus is like building a muscle. It's, it's, it takes practice, not perfection. Start small, even to 5 minutes of meditation or one video without distraction, and build up. Rebuild the focus one mindful moment at a time. So this is uh, so that is summary from article. If you enjoy content of me, please subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.